Paper, it's everywhere. But this everyday material hides a story over 2,000 years old. A story that began with bamboo bark and a flash of genius that changed the world forever. Before paper, people had to get creative to record their knowledge. In ancient Egypt, they used papyrus scrolls, a bit like rolling up a reed mat. Across Europe, parchment was made from animal skins, tough, durable, but hardly practical for everyday notes. In East Asia, bamboo slips and silk were common, beautiful to look at, but heavy or expensive. These materials were reserved for the elite, kings, scholars, those with power. For most people, writing was out of reach. Then, in 105 CE, everything changed. Chinese inventor Cai Lun stepped onto the scene. He pulped mulberry bark, hemp rags, even old fish nets, blending them into a thin, flexible, and affordable sheet. Suddenly, paper was lighter than bamboo, cheaper than silk, and perfect for writing and art. With Cai Lun's invention, paper became China's go-to medium, and the world would soon follow. By the 6th century, papermaking had reached Korea and Japan, where it became washi, delicate, strong, and uniquely beautiful. In the 8th century, paper traveled along the Silk Road to the Islamic world, fueling a golden age of scholarship and science. By the 11th century, Spain and Sicily brought paper to Europe, paving the way for the printing press and the explosion of books and newspapers. Suddenly, information could travel faster and farther than ever before. Fast forward to the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution. Papermaking moved from handcraft to high-speed machines like the Fourdrinier, which could churn out endless rolls from wood pulp. Books, newspapers, and packaging became everyday items. But this leap forward came with a cost. Deforestation, pollution, and other environmental challenges followed mass production. Today, the story of paper is still being written. Recycling plants hum with activity and new materials. Bamboo, hemp, even agricultural waste are reshaping what paper can be. Sustainable innovations are keeping this essential resource alive while working to protect our forests and planet. From ancient scrolls to the notebook on your desk, paper has carried our ideas, our art, and our history for millennia. It's more than just a material, it's a symbol of human connection, creativity, and resilience. And believe me, its story is far from over.